Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to our daily challenge of day 17, where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. So yesterday we had around 3,700 something ish listing. Today I've gone ahead and listed more. We are currently on 4,567 listings today running on our account. So let's go to our orders page and have a look at how many sales we had. I think we had around 3 sales if I'm not mistaken. They came in today, so the 6th of April. So we had 43.50, 60.40, 23.40. All right, so let's go to our performance tab and check out our traffic. Moving on to our traffic, we have 2.2 million impressions that has converted into 3,833 listing views. And we are currently at 27 sales minus the 7 that came in the next day. And our click-through rate, as you can see, is 0.1, followed by our sales conversion rate, 0.9. Still fluctuating a little bit. Nothing to worry about though. We are currently close to 400,000. So 193 coming from organic. The other one is coming from the promoted listing, which is around 163,000. As you can see, let's go to our listing views. We are a little bit above 1,000 listing views today. So we're doing pretty good. Let's go to our quantity sold. It was 3 orders today, as I mentioned it. 2 are coming from promoted, while 1 is coming from organic. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it for today's video. In the next upcoming days, we'll be scaling and we'll be hitting the gas and never stopping. Consistency wins over anything and pretty much everything. So stay tuned for the next upcoming video, which is tomorrow. Take care.